A very good afternoon, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed half part of the exercise. So now let us begin the next part of the exercise. So where we stopped, I think first main we completed. So now let's move to second. What is the question given here? See. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? I hope you have written all the answers for previous questions. So now let us discuss about this question. What is the question? What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teacher, not a normal teacher. They had a mechanical teacher and their working system is different, their homework system is different, and their learning system is also totally different from the normal learning. So then the mechanical teacher was placed in a particular place where the kids should sit in front of that computer or that mechanical teacher and they have to learn the things. So, and they do not have a separate building and separate like normal teachers to learn. This mechanical teacher, like a machine, where the kids should sit in front of that and they should learn the things, and they have to do their homework and they have to put their homeworks and test papers everything in a slot of this mechanical teacher. So there are various features were there in this mechanical teacher. And their examination system was very different and their learning system and they have no companions. Why? Because that mechanical teacher was an example for the virtual classroom. For what? For virtual classroom. I told you at the beginning of this lesson, what is the meaning of virtual classroom? Virtual classroom means sitting in a room and sitting alone in the room and sitting in front of the computer. No companions, no enjoyment, nothing. Only that mechanical teacher will start displaying the study, information like fractions, geography, whatever, all the subjects. This mechanical teacher will display the things on the screen and the kids, those who are sitting in front of that mechanical teacher, they should follow as it is. So this difference we can see as comparing to the normal learning as well as this mechanical learning. Then as I told you that their homework system was completely different and there were no any companions or classmates to discuss any doubts about their homework. Why? Because that they were sitting in front of the mechanical teacher, means machine. So no companions, no discussions and sitting alone. So this mechanical teacher will lead the kids in some instance to get depressed or isolated. Why? Because if companions were there, they can discuss with them and they can clarify their doubts. But here no companions and no any classmates and no sharing, no enjoying, nothing. So in some instance it leads to get depressed and isolated. These are some features of this mechanical teacher as comparing to the normal teacher. Next, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher and it was in her house. She wanted to enjoy with her classmates and companions, and she wanted to share her homework and her feelings, everything with her classmates. But unfortunately, what kind of school she got? She got mechanical teacher. Where mechanical teacher was there no any fun, no enjoyment, and no any sharing of emotions. So then, and she has to sit in front of the computer alone. No any partners were there. So she has to sit alone in front of the mechanical teacher. And why? The main reason that why Margie loved the schools which had centuries ago. Why? Because there the normal teacher will teach the lesson in the school, and all kids will would sit together and learn the same things. But here in this mechanical classroom, no kids and no normal teacher has comparing to the previous centuries ago school. And one thing, what happened when the kids are sitting together in a class, then the teacher can interact very effectively and efficiently with them and can develop a good rapport between them. Means can develop a good understanding and good relationship between the teachers and the students. Here, the mechanical teacher goes on telling the things, and the kids, those who are sitting in front of that, they have to listen, only listen. No interaction, no discussion. So this leads the kids, those who are learning, some kind of a depression. So for all these reasons, and what happen if comparing to normal teacher, the mechanical teacher will go on displaying the things, but this normal teacher can like solve the problems in the classroom, but this mechanical teacher goes on displaying the things on screen continuously. So just the Margie wanted to know what is the difference between this mechanical teacher and normal teacher. So when she came to know the difference, she started loving that the previous schools which the schools were in centuries ago. So these all reasons made her to hate her school where she had a mechanical teacher. So, and also this made her to love the schools which the centuries ago had. So these all things made her to hate the school. Next, third question. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, what is the question? What is the main important question? Do you agree with Margie that the older schools are more fun and enjoyable? Do you agree? Yes, I am agree. As now, for example, last year you sat in a school and with your friends and studied and enjoyed many things. Yes or no? You enjoyed many things. You shared your doubts. You had a good rapport between teachers, and you had a good friendship, and you enjoyed like various activities like funs, like, and you just had a good understanding between yourself. So these all things that this Margie wanted to enjoy. But unfortunately, what happened? She had a mechanical teacher and she doesn't have any classrooms and normal teacher. The main thing that she hated the school. Why? Because she had no any classmates, no any companions. So these all things made her to hate the school, and she started loving the schools of old schools of centuries ago. So she wanted to be in that type of the schools, to enjoy and to have fun, and in the same time to study well. Next, thinking about language. Adverbs. Adverbs means, do you know the meaning of adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies the actions. Adverb is the word which modifies the verbs. See, adverb which describes the actions. Which describes the actions. And these adverbs will end with L. Why? And whenever the adverb will ends with ly, and whenever we are going to change these words like angry, we take angry. See, these adverbs will end with ly or y. So when we write this angry, whenever we want to change this word, what it will come in the place of this y? I will come. So we'll see here angry. This is adverb. So now let us begin the exercise. Okay. Find the sentences in the lesson which match adverbs given in the box below. So here some sentences, some adverbs are given here. So what we have to do? We have to match adverbs given in the box. So what are those words? Awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, nonchalantly. So these all are words they are given in the box. So what is our work? To find the sentence in the lesson which match these adverbs. So first one, awfully. What is first one? Awfully. So we know that this word is mentioned in the lesson. So we have to search that sentence now. So, awfully, so the sentence begins with, and it was awfully funny. This sentence is in first. Next, second one is sorrowfully. The second one, sorrowfully. I hope you are understanding. See, here they have given some adverbs. So what is our work? To find out these adverbs from the story. So that sentence we have to write here. Next, sorrowfully. Sorrowfully, write the sentence, until her mother had shaken her head, sorrowfully. This is in the paragraph 3rd. I hope you are getting. Next, third one, completely. Third one, completely. See, this adverb is in the paragraph Fifth paragraph. What is the sentence? That the history sector had blanked out completely. Blanked out completely. This is in the paragraph 5th. Next one, loftily. This adverb is in the sentence of 6th paragraph. Which paragraph? 6th paragraph. He added loftily. This is in the paragraph 6. Next adverb is carefully. Carefully, and this adverb is in the paragraph 6. Now let us see the sentence. Pronouncing the word carefully. Pronouncing the word carefully, and in which paragraph it is? It is in paragraph 6. And next one, is differently. The adverb differently is in the paragraph 8. So now let us see the sentence. Each kid has to be taught differently. Paragraph 8. So what we did, just they have given the adverbs, and what we did, we searched in the lesson and we wrote that sentence here. Next, main is, now use these adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. Just now we had written some adverbs. So now what we have to do? Now we have to use those adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. First one, the report must be read dash so that performance can be improved. Can you guess what is the answer? So try it. The report must be read dash so that performance can be improved. First one answer is carefully. Fill in that blank. Carefully. Next. These answer you have to fill in that given blank. At the interview, Samir answered our questions dash shrugging his shoulders. What is the question? At the interview, Samir answered our questions dash shrugging his shoulders. What is the answer? Answer loftily. Loftily. Next. We all behave dash when we are tired or hungry. What is the third question? We all behave dash when we are tired or hungry. We all behave differently. See, for example, when you are hungry and the teacher goes on taking class continuously without any rest, means how will you behave? You will behave different only, and some will they don't want to see the teacher's face, or some will start doing something other work, and some want to see outside, and some will what they will do their heads down. See, these all activities you will do when you don't want to listen the lesson. Why? Because you were hungry. So when we are hungry, and if something is running forcefully in front of us, means what we'll do, we'll start behaving differently. So next, fourth one, the teacher shook her head dash when Ravi lied to her. What is the answer? The teacher shook her head dash when Ravi lied to her. What is the answer? Sorrowfully. Sorrowfully. Next, fifth one. I dash forgot about it. I dash forgot about it. The answer is completely. I completely forgot about it. Next, when I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled and turned away. When I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled dash and turned away. What is the sixth answer? Sixth answer is nonchalantly. Nonchalantly. Next, seventh one. The president of the company, okay, seventh one, I am not getting it properly, so let's move next one. I finished my work dash so that I could go out to play. What is given here? Eighth one. I finished my work dash so that I could go out to play. So the answer is quickly. Eighth answer is quickly. Okay, this seventh one I will tell you in the next class. So we'll stop here and we'll discuss the remaining part in the next class.